Hey, who's working the chains, man?
All right.
Tackle, tackle, tackle. Good job, baby. Good job. Good job. That was a good tackle right there, baby. Let's go, D. Get on the line. Get on the line. Dylan. Get on the line. Up and in. Dylan. Come on. Settle down. Settle down. Go where you're supposed to go.
Back up one step, Dylan.
Right now. Don't go out too far, Yadiel. Come back in. Danye. Danye. Left, right.
Hit. Good job, good job.
Watch it. Let's go, D. I want a football right here.
Push him back.
That's good. Not on the line.
You gotta get set.
Right, no defense.
Yeah. Spring off that back leg.
Stay at home. Stay at home. Don't take that.
Go reach for that football. Go for the football. Good hit. Good job. We need to stop.
Go get him. Don't let him come out of there. Stay at home. Stay at home.
Watch the quarterback, guys.
Go get him.
There you go. Get him. Boom.
Good job, good job. Right there, right there, right there.
Let's go, defense. Get hungry.
Strong right, strong right.
Go the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball.
Man, Mama, you take me to a charity. Anytime I go to you take me. I love it. I promise you I will eat it. Where's that place? Oh, it was in Auburn. The name of it wasn't Cherry Berry, but it was just like that.
Man, hit somebody.
Oh, y'all better watch out.
On that side. That side.
Keep going, Jeremiah.
Got 3 folks on this side of the ball.
Hit somebody. Ball. I want to hear you.
What'd you say?
Watch out for the ball.
I got him punched off. Hit him up on the line. Hit him up on the line. You hit him off that line.
Hey, you go.
Let's go, defense. Get that ball back. 85, let's get him.
Hey, somebody here. They kept parking. They said they'll have it ready next week up there.
So here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they need some parking out there.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Who you got? Who you got?
Come on. Lord, put him on the board.
Hey, y'all gotta push forward. Don't back up. Push forward. Down.
There you go. There you go. Take it in, baby.
The first half of that game, and then I left the coach that called and told me.
No.
Call your man out. Hit somebody. Hit something. Jacob, what are you doing on the ground? Your man, look, head up with the bank. Don't look it down on the ground.
So what side you said you missed?
Get your head up.
With the kid, what else side? The kid, Lord, yeah.
You get no, you
I get that.
Go, 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 go.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Quit tiptoeing and run!
Let's knock it out. Head up. Gotta move that ball. Get down. Y'all get down.
Yes.
Real quick, Cam.
Who ball?
Let's go.
Okay.
Go, go.
Every time, baby. Every time.
Watch the quarterback.
Dylan, slide out a little. Slide out.
Let's go, Bryson. Let's go. If he goes in motion, he's getting the football.
Danye. Danye, go.
Stay at home. He's in motion. Get up, get up.
Go, Danye. Go, Danye.
Get him.
Slide out.
Danye. Slide in.
Danye, come on, Danye.
Right there. Let's go. Go get him. Keep him in that backfield. Danielle. Keep him in the backfield. Watch the outside. Keep him in the backfield. Get him. Watch out. Intercept.
Coming back. Turn up.
Get him. Go get him. There you go. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Danye.
Danielle, go up a little bit. Right there.
Dylan, you bust him off the line, son.
Eli, quarterback. Taylor.
Catch him,
Get him. Watch the ball. Watch the outside.
Jeremiah, get back there. Stay, Jeremiah.
Go get him. Outside again on this.
Come on, Evan! Come on, Evan!
Eli, watch that quarterback.
What are you doing there? Get on the line.
He's still. Get in there. Get in there. Get down. Down.
Come on, Evan!
All right, get him, baby.
Sorry.
Get him. Get him. Quarterback. Get him down. Get him down.
Catch him, Evan! Yay! Fourth down! Fourth down!
Hey. Get it up. Get it Jermaine, let's go. Get to the backfield.
Make a play, make a play, make a play. Good job, yeah, boys. Good job, boys.
Get a snap, guys.
Come on, man. Let's go.
Now, give him some time. Give him some time. Let's go. Get down. Get down. Let's go. Come on now.
Come your way, Cole. Come your way.
Let's go.
Yeah, run the ball.
Go.
Block. Block. Don't wait till it goes in.
Come on in, Simone. Get in there.
We got to stop it before it gets out there.
That's your man, 85, yeah, man. Kanye, don't get sucking into going over there.
Man in motion.
Come on, Brad, you got a girl on you now.
Man in motion right here.
Kanye, come on.
Y'all.
Got the ball.
Atta, baby.
Get to the backfield and start standing around with your hands up.
Hit him. Oh, get the ball. Get the ball. There you go.
Run it, Evan.
Run.
Oh, my God.
Run.
Run, Evan.
Run.
Run, Evan.
Run.
Hello, baby. Good job.
Come on, Patriots.
Block somebody.
Block.
Call your man out just like you did that time. Who you got? Who you got? Jamaya, wake up!
Get up in there, Eli. Get up in there.
Let's go. Yeah, we got a first point.
Good goal.
The man in motion was getting the football. It's a simple thing. Go defense.
Get him. Get him down.
Baby, Evan. Good job, Evan.
Good job. Keep him in the back.
Dylan, slide out.
Come on, go to the football. Defense. Somebody get up.
Get him.
Ball. Call your man out.
Ain't nobody touching her.
Hey, pick up somebody. Call your man out. Hey, Ralph. Hey, watch the jump.
You know. When insurance would have said,
Block somebody.
Y'all just got on a new cover. Y'all still should have called on.
that's what they did, they split the land. Ball rolling out there. Hold it.
Fine. Call your man out. He's standing straight up. If you can't block him like that, something's wrong. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Good block.
Got tickets for turkey that and that's why I was saying why we just why they were letting people down there. They trying to limit people being so people in the box, boy. In place so let's
go, guys. Get down.
Get down, Jacob. Get down, guys.
They didn't realize the people that were down there were ADPs and the family that
Come up, Daniel. Daniel, go up a little bit. Right there.
Dylan, you bust him off the line, son.
Eli, quarterback. Quarterback. Caleb.
Catch him, Evan!
Get him, Evan.
ball. What's the outside? Jeremiah, get back there. Stay, Jeremiah. Go get him. Outside again. Don't do it.
Come on, Evan! Come on, Evan!
Eli, watch that quarterback. What are you doing there? Get on the line. Be still. Get on there. Right. Get on. Get down.
Come on, Evan!
Sorry.
Get him! Quarterback. Get him down! Get him down!
Catch him, Evan! Yay! Fourth down! Fourth down!
There you go. Jeremiah, let's go. Get to the backfield.
Make a play, make a play, make a play. Good job, yeah, boys. Good job, boys.
Get a snap, guys. Come on, man. Let's go. Yeah, give him some time. Give him some time. Let's go. Get down. Get down. Let's go. Come on now.
Come your way, Cole. Come your way.
Let's go. Yeah, run the ball. Run the ball. Go. Block. Block. Let's go, baby. Call him out. Call him out. That's your man. Call him out. If you don't know what, let's go. Come on, go. Get in the gap. Get in the gap. In the gap. Let's go. Get him. Get him. Good job. Keep him back there.
You're not promising you ain't.
Get in that backfield.
Get in the backfield, Dylan.
Get him. Get him. Get him. Don't move. Watch the ball. Watch the ball. Don't jump outside.
Come on, boys!
That's what I get for playing with the phone in
Dylan,
the
slide
room.
out. Danye,
Trying to
come
listen to my
up.
dad. My screen on folks went out.
Dylan, stay on him. Get him off the line. Stay on him. Don't lose it.
Hand up.
Y'all got the hold.
Come on, Patriots.
I'll tell his dad because he worked third shift, so he don't get to see him.
Let's go. Block for him. Everybody get real tight on the line. Just snap it. Let's go. No, look, hey. You got to do it. You're going to line them up real close. Look, line them up real close. Watch out.
Yeah. One of the little boys out there cute. Look at my son make me mad.
That's right. Evan, Eli. Hey, hit somebody. Let's go. Hit somebody. Block. Go. Hold up, Eli. Whatever you say. Come on. Let's go. Walk, Patriots. Hold up, Eli. Whatever you say. Let's go, Patriots. Go. There you go. Hit somebody. Get low. Let's go.
Yeah, it's good and wet though.
Hey. Your head is straight, bro.
Come on, Charlie. Let's go. Go. Get that. There you go.
Yeah. Way to hit somebody, 40.
I'm out red.
Way to hit somebody.
Like they did y'all. Get it back.
Get the ball.
Don't move. Don't move.
Quarterback, right side.
Get in there, Dylan! Get in there, Dylan!
Let's go!
I'm gonna get it.
Get in the gap. Get in the gap. Get in the gap.
Let's go!
Get him! Get him!
Get him!
Alabama, good job!
Keep him back there.
You're not promising you ain't.
You better watch it. Let's go. Don't mess up now.
Taylor, get to the backfield, Taylor. Dylan, Eli, hip right. This way, to your right. Eli.
Don't
Put your hands up, man.
Watch out for the pass. Don't let him catch the ball. Watch the pass.
I need to let somebody else take my child home till he go to sleep.
Right now.
okay. Let's start count again.
Get on him, Dylan. Hit him hard off the line, buddy.
Watch out.
Don't let him catch it.
Don't watch it.
Come on, Cam.
Get in that backfield.
Get in the backfield, Dylan.
Get him. Get him. Get him.
Don't move.
Watch the ball. Watch the ball. Watch the ball. Don't jump outside.
Come on, boys.
That's what I get for playing with the phone
Dylan,
in the
slide
rain.
out. Danye,
Trying to
come
listen to my
out.
dad. My screen on folks went out.
Dylan, stay on him. Hit him off the line. Stay on him. Don't lose it.
Hand off. Hand off.
Y'all got the hold.
Come on, Patriots.
I'll tell his dad because he worked third shift, so he don't get to see him.
Let's go. Block for him.
Everybody get real tight on the line. Just snap it.
Let's go.
No, look, hey, you got to do it. You're going to line them up real close. Look, line them up real close.
Watch out.
Yeah. One of the little boys out there too. He get my son make me mad.
That's right. That's right.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, my God.
Come on. Hold on.
Get back there.
Get in there.
20 seconds.
Watch the pass.
Hold him, guys. Watch the pass. Watch it. Watch it. Watch the pass.
Go.
Oh, yeah.